Hello everyone, welcome to Mohendra Coaching Center's channel. Today we are going to look at this cue card. Describe something that you would like to replace. You should say what it is, why you want to replace it, and when you plan to replace it. So without wasting time, let's begin. I always buy everything with an intention to keep it for a long time, so I prefer spending some extra money to buy good quality products rather than repairing or replacing them soon. However, things get worn out or get old and we need to replace them with new ones. Here I would like to talk about a thing that I would like to replace in my house. I have an old Godrej brand Almira. It is made of iron. I would like to replace it with wooden Almira now. The Almira I have now is about 15 years old. It has rust on some parts and the handles have also become a little bit loose. Furthermore, I think that it's time to replace it now as it has given us the value for the price we paid 15 years ago. Last week, I went to furniture store in Ludhiana. There was a huge variety of furniture. I was mesmerized by quality and detailed work on every part of furniture. I saw a wooden almirah there and I decided right away that I will buy it soon. At a glance, I could tell the almirah was of superior quality. There was a fine handwork on it. It is expensive due to the handwork and quality. The store owner said that I could place an order for it and it is usually ready within a month and it cost rupees 20,000. I think it's worth waiting for a month to get something of such great piece of work. I have started saving for it now. It is a huge amount of money to put into a furniture at once, but it is conducive to purchase it as it is not only durable but also stylish. I think I will be able to replace my old Almira with a new one at the end of December. So that's it for today's session. If you find this video informative and worthwhile, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.